Team boy tayo, team boy.
Team girl. Kailangan team girl para kamukha ng nanay.
Ay, hindi. Team boy, para makulit.
Girl.
Kasi si Casey nag-iisang babae, so gusto namin ng another girl sa bahay.
Baka ano naman, medyo iba-iba naman.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life.
Maureen pag babae. Letter M talagang gusto naming start kapag firstborn. Tapos, namili lang namin kasi nga katunog siya ng model na Pilipina, si Maureen. So doon kami na-inspired din.
Pag lalaki.
Sige pa.
Raul.
Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time.
Casey, kasi hinayaan namin na siya na do whatever you want nung single siya, di ba? So ngayon, papasok na siya dito as a mom. So, priority mo na yung family and the kids. So, know your priority as mom.
Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
Ano, sana maging mabait at loyal. Basta opposite.
May pinagugutan.
Maging mabait na lang. Maka-Diyos. Yun.
Ako yung ano lang, yung maayos yung pagkaalabas, tas healthy.
Yun. Yeah, healthy. Very.
'Cause the good life